This isn't just a house, it's a private desert palace designed for those who want scale, privacy, and absolute luxury. Here you can swim while overlooking endless dunes. Day or night, this infinity pool feels like a five-star private resort. You can host elite gatherings here, or simply relax surrounded by panoramic desert views. Space and elegance exist together. You can host private chef dinners or exclusive celebrations. This kitchen isn't just functional, it's built for experiences. This master suite offers complete privacy and panoramic desert views. You wake up surrounded by silence, luxury, and endless space. You can relax in a full spa environment without leaving home. This bathroom is designed for wellness, comfort, and absolute indulgence. This private wardrobe is built like a luxury boutique. Everything you own is displayed, organized, and protected in style. You can host private screenings or movie nights with friends. This cinema transforms your home into a personal theater experience. You can train, meditate, and recharge without leaving your estate. Wellness here feels private, focused, and elevated. You can host private sunset gatherings or enjoy quiet nights under the stars. From up here, the desert belongs to you. You can host unforgettable private dinners and formal gatherings here. Every meal becomes an experience surrounded by elegance and scale. This private office lets you work in complete isolation and clarity. Here, business decisions are made in total comfort and privacy. You can swim any time of year in this climate-controlled indoor pool. It's designed for relaxation, privacy, and year-round luxury. You can detox, unwind, and recover in your own private spa. This retreat is built for total physical and mental relaxation. Your guests experience the same level of luxury as you. Every suite offers privacy, comfort, and stunning desert views. You can host private parties or quiet late-night gatherings here. This lounge transforms the mansion into your own exclusive club. You can relax by the fire, entertain guests, or simply watch the desert sunset in complete privacy. This terrace blends nature with ultimate comfort. At night, this mansion becomes a glowing oasis in the desert. Absolute privacy, absolute power, absolute luxury. This is more than a home. It's a private empire in the desert, designed for those who demand space, privacy, and unmatched luxury.